my name is Anish. I'm 5 years old.
Hi, my name is Adi and I'm 7.5 years old.
Hi, my name is Anna and I'm 6 years old.
Hi, my name is Juanita. I'm 9 years old.
Today, our presentation is about one ball.
Good job, friends. I can see that you made your project very well last Tuesday. Okay, so I'll be asking you some questions about it, and I'm expecting that you'll be answering them in full sentences. Okay, so for my first question, Yana, did you find any difficulties working in a group?
Yes, we did.
Oh, so what are those problems that you encountered when you're working in a group, and how did you guys solve it?
Well, there was more boys and the boys wanted to make a boy. And then there was less girls, 2 girls, and we could not do it, so we didn't agree. Because we wanted a girl and a boy.
Okay, so in the end, you just agreed to make a boy, correct, Yana?
Yes.
Okay, good. Okay, so I have another question for you. So, would you have preferred to work alone or in a group?
I would prefer to do it in a group because it's more faster and easier.
Okay, I agree with you. So, Adi, did the leader do a good job splitting up the work?
Yes, the leader did a very good job splitting the work because each of us got a part to do.
Yes, that's a very good indication that your leader gave you parts to do. That is really good. So Yana, was everyone happy with the body part they had to make?
Yes, they were.
Okay, so I believe that you were, we could observe that you were doing each body part happily. You decorated it and you put colors into it. That's really good. So, Wane, what problems did you face in this group project?
Not everyone wanted to do their body part, but then we just had to do it. So then we just got to do it because they already picked other people to do it.
Okay, so it means you just have to compromise so you can finish more parts, right? So we cannot just argue when we're in a team. That's good. Okay, so for my question number 6, Anish, so was everyone happy with the end product? Was everybody happy?
Yes.
Oh, really? Did you like how you put up all the parts all together?
Yes.
Okay, good. And then, Anish, I have another question. So what did you learn from this project? What did you learn from this project? Did you learn that everybody has different ideas?
Yes.
Okay, so could you please say it in full sentence? We learned
We learned
that everyone
everyone
has different ideas.
different ideas.
Okay, good. So, Anish, keep your hands on the side, please. Okay, there you go. Hands on the side, please. Thank you. And then, Adi, my last question. If you were a leader, what would you have done differently?
I would have made my project very good so our team would like it.
Yes, so meaning you will do your best as a leader so everybody would be happy while they're doing their project. That's really good. Okay, so friends, you really did a very good job for your project. Okay, in delivering this presentation, just have to have a good posture by keeping your hands on the side. And then, Yan, if you're holding the poster, you just keep the other hand and arm on the side. There you go. And then chin up. There you go. So we could see your faces. And then, for the eye contact, just keep on, for the posture and for the eye contact, just keep on looking at the audience when you're answering the question. And also for talking loudly and clearly, which is good, but some of you have still to work on it. Like Anish, you have to work on talking loudly and clearly, and for full sentences. Okay, you just have to work on answering questions with full sentences. But everybody, all of you did a very good job. So friends, let's all say good job, friends.
Good job.